Good afternoon, my name is Joe Varillo. I started this business in 1979 and we're celebrating 45 years in business because I love Corvettes, specialty cars, exotic cars, and I love dealing with people that are passionate like myself. Good afternoon, I'm Joe Varillo. We're at Varillo Motor Car. Today we're looking at a 1958 Corvette, Tuxedo Black, red interior. 58 Corvette's very unique in the body style, and what it is that the 58 has two chrome washboard bars on the trunk, and it has a washboard hood. If you take a look around this car, this is a comprehensive frame-off restoration. All the chrome on the car is all triple chrome plated. The bars on the trunk are triple chrome plated. The car has been stripped down to bare glass and refinished in lacquer paint. This car is a very comprehensive, high-end restoration. It's been through NCRS this year. It's had 2 regional top flight awards, Clemson, South Carolina, and Springfield, Missouri. The windshield post and all the stainless was all re-chromed. The stainless has been polished. The interior inside, you can see, is like jewelry. All the upholstery has been reupholstered. The radio has been restored. The Wonderbar Seek and Scan radio. The clock's been redone. All the gauges have been restored. All to factory specifications, cosmetically and mechanically. And also we talked about this hood is 58 only hood. It has a washboard hood like they had years ago, the old washers. And then we look under the hood. This car has a factory fuel injected engine. It's 283, 290 horse. The engine has been professionally rebuilt. The fuel injection's been restored. It's got a T10 4-speed transmission that's been restored, the rear end. All the wheel covers have been polished, and it's just absolutely a gorgeous work of art. Tuxedo Black, red interior, silver coves, and all around the car is just the fit and finish is spectacular. You could view this car on our website at varillomotorcar.com. We have 50 to 75 photos. There's all underneath photos. For any more details and questions, varillomotorcar.com or joe@varillomotorcar.com. We look forward to hearing from you. Hi, I'm Joe Varillo, and I love to earn your business. You contact us, we can make your buying experience as easy as 1, 2, 3. We can sell you a car and have it delivered to your door anywhere in the United States or abroad.